What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's take some time to talk about AMC a little bit because it's interesting to me. Um, what is going on right now? Yes, the markets don't look as positive as what you hope they would look like, um, but AMC just continues to see more attacks, and I know how that sounds. Where you're like, hey, not everything's being attacked. Not everything's about you. Not everything's about the just standard small investors. Sometimes the markets just don't look great. And I understand that. The markets don't look great. But what you see with this on a consistent basis does not make sense. All of the different numbers that are behind the scenes, as well as the numbers that are in your face. So let's talk about this position. Let's talk about what has happened today and kind of just make it really about today and understand what we're looking at, which is, again, right in front of our face. So, guys, if you could make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are also in the description. That does help out. I have my main channel if you guys want to go and subscribe for a lot of crypto content. And also, if you want to subscribe to my golf channel and different stuff. Also, the platform that I'm using is Webull. If you guys are interested in Webull, feel free to check that out. But let's go ahead and get into this today. So AMC, as you know, I've been invested in AMC for a while. I've been covering AMC more and more recently because of how much I actually have invested and what I plan for the overall position, what I plan to do with the overall position. Um, but let's look at how the price really has moved as of late. I want to look at maybe we'll look at the 30-minute chart and we'll also look at the 1-minute chart. So let's see how this has really moved. So let's start. Actually, I need to go over here in order to show you. Here we go. Currently, we're at $4.45. We're down 10% today. And that is a lot, right? Even compared to some of the other ones that you're seeing there, some of the other positions you have here, coin is down by 6.7%, or sorry, 6.8%. You're seeing it, ZOM that's down by 1.3. Yes, you're seeing VPLM that's down by 13%. Best Buy down by 1%. Home Depot that's down by 0.02%. You're seeing Meta that's up today, and SOS, Tesla that's down a little bit, eBay that's down a little bit. So a lot of things are down today. It's a lot of red that's in the market. AMC is consistently getting attacked that's here. We've seen some positivity where it skyrocketed all the way up to $8 and some odd cents. But you see today how it opened up at 511 has decreased by 10%, which is about 53 cents right now. And you look at the chart, it does not look solid at all. It does not look good. We really saw a little bit of an increase above the 200 EMA, and we got nowhere near that point the whole entire rest of the day. It just started to collapse. It went all the way down here, saw a little bit of green here. It literally throughout most of the day, we see nothing but red movement, nothing but downward movement. So it must have not felt good for anybody buying at some of these levels. Must have not felt good. Hopefully you found a way to, just get rid of the position at that moment and then maybe rebuy at a lower point wherever you believe the lowest point is. It did decrease and saw a little bit of red here. I saw a little bit of green here and then see it decrease a little bit more, create a lower low, and then another lower low, a lower high. And now we're in this lower situation, kind of just waiting for the day to end, honestly. Thinking that maybe we would see it pick up, but it did not. It just continued to fall down. And you're seeing 35.4 million shares worth of volume, which is way over the average for a down day. That seems like an excessive amount. That seems like a lot that happens here. Now, as you see with the history, if we make this bigger, you see with the history, let me actually shrink this. You can see that we were at $8.76. That was in the after hours market. It did end up decreasing down, and you could see this movement and how now it's starting to flatten out a little bit, but it's been attacked very, very hard. And I can kind of prove what that attack actually is. I mean, if we go into the short interest data, just understanding that we're currently seeing yes, a 92 short score, but also about 30%, almost 30% in short interest on AMC. 30%. That is huge. That is a 10% increase over the 3 month average. That is absolutely huge. Just like we're seeing a 10% decrease in the overall position, we're seeing a 10% increase in the amount of shorts that are going through and the short interest there. Now, I also want to look at AMC's Fintel data if it can find a way to come up. Hopefully, it can. If it can't, then just know that what would be the same will be that AMC is seeing about 50 to 60% short on these positions, and it looks like it's not coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and let that go. But that's basically what you see is about 50 to 60% short of all the volume that happens there. So the fact that we're seeing 35.5 million shares worth of volume, and we're going to see probably 50 or 60% of that volume be short volume does not sit well with me. So this is an insane thing to say that AMC, I wouldn't say it's insane to say that it's being attacked, but a ton of people may look at it and go, look, you're just saying this because your position, is falling. But there's a lot of things that are red today, and AMC is consistently being attacked from these higher points that it's at. Reaching a $8 price, $9 price, $10 price, and then even seeing the data that's right in front of us. 29% of short interest of free float. That is an insane number. And that shows so much strength for the overall position for the future. So I know we can look at AMC and go, all right, well, they're not really producing the revenue that they should produce. 100% true. They're not. But with the support of the retail traders and how much actually hold this, how much actually believe in it, um, it should be a lot stronger than where it is right now. And it's showing that if we did not have the shorts, if we did not have these shorts within here, this position would be a hell of a lot higher in a price point. So once those find a way to be, covered, once they cover those shorts, well, now we're looking at a way higher price for AMC. So I'm still watching this every single day. Again, down about 10, almost 11%. It's something I don't want to see. Holding the position, I want to see positivity. I want to see it grow, but it just doesn't look great at the moment. But guys, let me know what you think about AMC. I just wanted to let you know where the update is and just talk about what's happening today because it doesn't look great. But guys, if you could hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.